This is out the downstairs door, looking up towards the pool. In the past, 10 minutes, Mark? It really started changing the scenery here. These are Mark's trees that he transplanted. Wow, look how the cedars are bent over.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Look how it's, there's no snow under them.
Yeah. It's wet snow, though. Wow, look down there at the creek. That's pretty. You see that?
Yeah. Man, look at that little pond.
Oh, I heard something. Is there a deer back there? Did you hear it?
Uh-oh.
We'll video and see. It is, isn't it? I hope it shows up good. Oh, wow, look at my gardenias even.
Yeah. Huh.
Hi, honey.
Staying inside.
Hey, baby.
Where it's warm.
This is where Mark's little toasty room is.
Look out the window. That is neat. All schools will be closed tomorrow.
They've already canceled school for tomorrow. Adam asked me that. He said, I bet we won't have school tomorrow. I don't think I've ever videoed this room, have I? Who's been playing pool? There's Mark's deer. I'm not sure what that alfalfa picture is doing there. Whose deer is this, Matt's?
Mm-hmm. I'm telling you what, it wouldn't take much.
What are you telling me?
And make a pond right there. Look how much that creek's run.